Hello everyone. I just wanted to go over a few instructions for tomorrow's new module, Module 0, Computer Concepts. Log into Blackboard and on the left-hand side, select Module 0, Computer Concepts. When you select the very first item, which is the Cengage logo, Module 0 Training for Computer Concepts, when you open up that link, the first thing that you'll go to is a welcome page for enrolling in SAM Cengage. This one's taking you right to the actual training. There are instructions in the course syllabus for putting in your password and your access code. If you have any trouble with that, let me know. But when you actually finish your completion of enrolling with creating make sure you use your school email and creating a password, you do have to put in the year you were born and create a security question. Then you'll get to a new screen that'll open the course, or you actually key in your access code. If you don't have your access code right away, don't worry, you have 14 days before you actually need it. So once you do that, you'll be opened into the first training for Module 0, Computer Concepts. There are 11 tasks, and if you click this option right here, it'll show you all 11 tasks. The first task, there's an introduction. You may skip this if you'd like, because it's just a short intro of what this particular concept is, the connected computer. You can go right to observe. As you notice at the top are topics, and what will happen is you'll view each topic: World Wide Web, e-commerce, voice over internet protocol, email. There's the blue arrow, meaning there are more videos. Just to let you know, they're about approximately a minute each. Click the arrow to see more. Messaging and chat, Web 2.0, social networking, Internet 2. There's two more, social media and net neutrality. As you complete each of these videos that you watch, you'll get a green check mark and you'll complete all your videos. When you're finished, it'll go directly to the apply mode. And the applied mode is where you'll actually match a term with an example. Sometimes you'll match an example with pictures. Sometimes it's a do and don't, where you have to put the do's and the don'ts in different corresponding columns. I'll give you an example on the first one. So this is asking questions all related to those videos that you just watched under topics. So the first one, voice over internet protocol with video chat. You click that option, and then over in the example, which one fits this one? And it would be the Skype, which would be the video chat. Store and forward. Maybe you think it's Wikipedia, and you click that, and you get a message saying that it's incorrect. So try store and forward again, and that would be email. Web 2.0 is actually Wikipedia, where you actually can put in your own remarks. It's more or less a two-way conversation. Indicates a secure website would be the address HTTPS secure. And e-commerce is shopping online, Amazon. That task is completed, and then you move on to task 2. If you want to look at your task completion, the first one is checked off complete. Now you can exit here. You wouldn't want to submit unless you do all of them, and then if you need to come back at a different time, you can continue where you left off. Submit is when you're completed all of the 11 tasks. So again, you could go, if you watched the introduction,
in this assignment, you'll learn about
it'll tell you a little bit about what you'll be covering, but you can go right to the observe, and again, here are your topics, and some of them are under a minute, and there's only 6 here. When you're finished, you'll get the green check marks, and then it'll go directly to apply. So for example, this is the training. When you actually take the Module 0 Computer Concepts test, all you will see are the apply. There'll be no videos. It'll be just the apply mode. And the only thing that will be different is when you select a particular category, description, and an item, it will not tell you if it's correct with green markers or that it's wrong with red X's. You will just match them and then submit. If the question immediately comes back to you, the exact same questions, same options, it's because the first time you submitted it, it was wrong. And I give you multiple attempts so that you can retry and try matching a different set and see, because you don't have no idea which one's right and which one's wrong. So I try to give you multiple attempts. So I just wanted to go over the basics of the computer concepts. So there are 11 tasks, and there's exactly 20 questions on the test. The 9 extra questions are multiple choice true-false questions. And where you'll find that, I'll have underneath the Cengage link for the training, I will have a Module 0 review guide, and you'll see in there these exact questions, what the answers matched correctly, so that you can view if you have trouble matching them on the training. And then I'll have the 9 extra multiple choice questions so you can see what those consist of. So hopefully you'll be doing the assignments in Module 0, and you'll also be doing the training, and then I'll let you know in announcements when the test will open for Module 0 and how long it will be open. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I hope I can answer all of them. Thank you.